Now take a good look at this video right here. And this one too. Now let me show you how you can do this on your mobile phone, how you can put any picture or videos into 4K just like you can see there.
People don't have to like you. People don't have to love you. They don't even.
Okay, we're going to use that one. So let's go to capcut right here. Click. So we'll import it right here. Okay.
People don't have to like you. People don't have to love you. They don't even.
So now what we're going to do here is you pause, allow the video to play a little.
People don't have to love you.
Then you pause at the appropriate section that you want to use. Okay, let's see here, and then I'm just going to, then you click on the video and then look for freeze frame. Freeze. So now freeze frame. So you can take a screenshot of that. Okay, now when you take that screenshot, now go to ChatGPT and apply this prompt that I'm going to give to you right here. So check in the link in the description and you will see this prompt that I'm giving to you right here. And send. Now this prompt will turn the image into 4K. So it basically turns any image into 4K. So this is how most people are able to turn image of a video into 4K and then use the 4K image to generate the actual video, to mimic the actual video. So let's just do that. Let's do that. Okay. So our image is ready right here. Look at this. Boom. Then I can download it. Let's download it. Okay. And then come to this freeze frame right here, where we freeze the frame. So you can see that nothing is the image quality wasn't changed. I mean the actual image wasn't changed, but the quality was made better. So you can see this makes a lot of sense. So now that's how most of these videos are done. Let's see this. Okay, let's take this particular screenshot as well. Boom. So that's basically it. Okay, like and subscribe. See you in my next video.